Kanju ya athuri a Luo nimaikitie ritana kuri munini wa mutongoria wa bururi rigathi gachagua makimuria arekererie mutongoria wa bururi daktari William Ruto nigetha ahote kuruta wira wa bururi wira uria akorirwo akiheo ni andu a guku Kenya. Mutongoria ni munini wa muikarigite wa Kanju iyo niwe mzee James nimaikitie gachagua nikiria mugite ni kugiririria mutongoria wa bururi gwetha thayo na njira ya miario iria gachagua akoretwo akimenereria undu umwe na kumunyita migwate nginyanagia akaremwo ni kurutira muingi uria wa mushagurire Wira.
Now I've always talked about captivity of Ruto by the Gachagua, Kimani Chungwa, Ndindi Nyoro and Moses Kuria. And I want to repeat today because as you can see, all that we have been looking for is peace. We have been looking for peace, and the major objective of all the communities, all the councils of communities, is peace and harmony. And because of that, we do not want anybody to create problems in Kenya. As at now, you can see that Ruto and Gachagua and all those people are walking around Kenya inciting communities against one another. Something I've always talked about and something the Kenyans must also see and come up to stop. The Kalenjins, the Kikuyus, the Luos, the elders of those areas, we have to join hands and make sure we remove Ruto from the captivity of the four young people. We thought Ruto was going to make Kenya a better place, but Ruto is almost destroying Kenya. How can Gachagua say, when people were demonstrating, Gachagua came out and said there's no need for demonstration, there's need for peace and talks. When people begin talking, Gachagua and his team say there's no that talk will not take us anywhere. Let him tell us what he wants us to do, which will take us somewhere. The where we want us to go. Let him tell us. This is what I want to tell the whole nation, that we are not happy with the way the four people are behaving.
Aikaria tauni ya